Friday, you guys. We're in the final stretch of our November Fitter Together Sleep Challenge. Several of you have asked about snoring, so I took your woes straight to our sleep coach.
Is there anything worse than a loud bed partner? It's a topic that's come up in our Fitter Together group. Ralph sharing, "My wife says that I snore. Of course, I don't hear it. However, I do hear her snoring." So, what to do about this? Well, first, let's break down why we snore. Snoring can be caused by enlarged tonsils, nose structure, or excess weight around the neck. Also, how you sleep makes a difference. Neck muscles relax, the throat closes and narrows, causing that annoying vibration.
Being on your side versus on your back can certainly help mitigate the snoring.
Sleep coach Kelly O'Brien says in addition to switching up how you sleep, try over-the-counter nose strips or talk to your dentist about special mouth guards.
Because you can get a customized one that really does help reposition the jaw.
If you notice that snoring gets louder in the winter, it might be your heater. All that dry air can lead to snoring.
Humidifier right there can be helpful just to keep the passageways a little bit more moisturized and less likely to dry out while we sleep.
And ladies, keep in mind, hormones and menopause can also contribute to snoring.
Estrogen and progesterone are both related to our sleep. Progesterone in particular is related to how we breathe at night during our sleep. And so if our progesterone levels are shifting as women, then it makes sense that there may be this impact around our sleep.
If your sleep hygiene or behaviors are problematic to your partner, have a conversation. Try sleeping in different rooms for a week without judgment. Staying frustrated is not going to lead to better sleep. Remember, ultimately, more rested people are more highly engaged in a relationship. So see what works and keep the peace a priority.
All right, now if none of those remedies that Kelly mentioned does the trick, do talk to your doctor. Make sure you're not suffering from sleep apnea. Remember, you can always join our Fitter Together Challenge. Just search 2021 Fitter Together in Facebook. And Greg, you're going to love the December challenge. I'm going to tell everybody about it next Friday.